Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I will be showing you how I created this manicure using dip powders as well as some chunky glitters. So here are the powders that I will be using today, and these are from the brand Manicure Pro. And here are the close-up look of the powders. So the first one is in the shade Original Pink. Next is in the shade Tart Green Apple. And lastly, the shade Cotton Candy Sorbet. And for the liquids, I will be using my Manicure Pro base as well as the activator. And for my top coat, I will be using my Blue Sky No Wipe top coat. So to start off, I will be applying my Model 1's Nail Dehydrator on all of my nails. This will just remove the natural oil on my nails. Next, I apply my UNT Peel Off Base. This will just allow me for easy pop-off removal of my manicure. But obviously, if you want your manicure to last, you don't need to apply this on your nails. And then next, I move on to my base and I apply a thin layer of this on my nail, and then immediately dip my nail into the powder and then tap off the excess. So I will be applying the shade Tart Green Apple on my pointy nail, and I will be applying 3 coats of this shade. And also, I just want to mention that make sure you brush off the excess powder before you move on to your next coat. It's very important, otherwise your nails will gonna end up really thick and bumpy, and you will end up spending a lot of time with your filing and buffing. So make sure you remember to brush off the excess powder. And the next, I move on to the next shade, which is the Cotton Candy Sorbet. So I will be applying this on my pinky and thumb. And again, I will be applying 3 coats of this shade. So moving on to the last shade, this is the Original Pink, and I will be applying 3 coats of this on my middle and ring nail. So once I'm finished with all the dip powders, I move on to my heart-shaped chunky glitters. So I will be applying this on my middle and ring nail. So first, I apply a thin layer of the base, and I randomly place the chunky glitters on my nails. So then I repeat the same step on my ring nail. So once I'm happy with my chunky glitters, I move on to my clear powder. This step is optional if you only have a solid color on your nails, but with your chunky glitters, it's very important that you clear encapsulate your nails. Otherwise, you will end up filing away all your chunky glitters, so it's very important you clear encapsulate it. So once I'm finished with clear, I brush up all the excess powder and then I move on to the activator. So I apply generous amount of the activator on all of my nails. This will harden up the powder and make it ready for filing. After a few minutes, I file and buff off camera, and then I brush off all the dust using a toothbrush, and then I clean my nails with alcohol spray. Next, I move on to my Blue Sky No Wipe Top Coat, and I apply 2 coats of these on my nails and cure it for 30 seconds. Again, this step is optional. You can always use your deep powder top coat if you want to. So once my nails are cured, I apply cuticle oil and we are done. That's it guys for today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you on my next one.